this video, I will be showing you how to create a quiz in Google and also attaching an answer key. So first, you open your web browser, you go to your Google account, you go into your Drive, so you go into apps here on your right hand icon, Drive, and once you're there, you're going to create, there's an icon on your left, red, create form. You can use it in a variety between a survey, a quiz, a multiple choice, or just gathering information. So this is a practice form, so let me title it practice form. Practice form. Okay, and let's give you 2 or 3 examples. My first question will be a survey. So let's see, how many siblings do you have? And I want to make it a multiple choice question. There's plenty. Let's see, 0, that's our first option. 0 brothers, 0 sisters, 1, and let's say 3, and then more than 3. Okay, then we must check on the required question, this box. Therefore, the student has to answer that question before submitting. Done. Let's just do one more. Add item. Right after that question, there's a box that says add item. You press on it. Let's do another random question. Do you like sports? Right? And let's make that like choose from a list. Yes or no. And then we make that a required question. Done. All right. And now that we're getting good at it, let's do a third one. What year? When do you plan to graduate from high school? It's a very general question. And let me make that like as a date. They gotta give me a month, a date, and a year. And also make it sure that's a required question. So let's be done with that. We have a title. We have 3 questions for practice. We're gonna send the form. You're gonna copy the link. So make sure you highlight it and then do Command C. And then you can add emails. If you already know all the emails of your students, you can put them right there, or then just have a link posted on a PowerPoint and have them copy that link, or just type it in their iPad. So either way you can have it. You either put in their emails or you just have it in a screen and PowerPoint and they can copy in their iPad. Alright, so we're done with that. Let me open the form with the link. So Command V. I'm going to press enter and the form will appear. I am going to make one submission. Let's see, I have one brother. Do you like sports? Yes. And I'll just put when I graduated, June. I think it was like 28, way back in the days, 2005. And I'm going to submit it. Your response has been recorded. All right, now in the teachers, so go back to your practice form. This was a submission students will see. But you as a teacher, you're able to go and view responses. So make sure you went back to your practice form Google Forms. View responses. It would open another window and there you see the submission of what I did. 10/24, 2014, 11:09, and that was me. One brother. Do you like sports? Yes. When did I graduate from? When do you plan to graduate from high school? That was me. June 28, 2005. In this case, if it was a multiple choice test and you wanted it to be graded, you will go on to add-ons, so you can attach an answer key, and it will just relieve the anxiety of going through 150 papers, right? And then having a specific grade on each paper, and with the classroom Google quiz it can actually be corrected there on the spot and you can have an answer and statistics in terms of seconds. So you will go on to add-ons And I already have downloaded Flubaroo, but if you don't have it yet, go to Get Add-ons, and then different kinds of apps will come out, right? And the one I use to grade my assignment is Flubaroo, the one with the apple. And it's already checkmarked because I have it. So if you don't have it downloaded, please manage and then download it and accept the terms. Once you have it downloaded, it would appear again in your add-ons like this. Flubaroo, grade assignment. You click on that, and then a window will show off. There must be at least 2 submissions to perform grading. Please try again when more students have submitted their answers. Okay, so let's submit one more, one with the wrong or just random answers. Okay, so submit a second one. Command V. I'll submit it again. Someone with 3 brothers, someone that doesn't like sports, and someone that will graduate in April. Alright, we're going to submit that one. Just because it's asked us for both, then let's do it. And there it goes. Go back to your responses, and now what I just submitted randomly, it shows. Back to your add-ons, so you can create a key, an answer key, grade assignment. Now you're able. So the grading step 1 will be how many points do you want it to be for each question. I'm just going to make them 1 pointer, 1 pointer, 1 pointer for each. They're answering and they're cooperating and they're giving me some personal information. Continue. Then I have to choose which one was the correct submission if you decide to do a multiple choice, which really was the earliest one. And then I continue. And finally, please wait as your assignment is being graded, and let's see our view grades. All right. Well, in my case, it wouldn't really work a lot just because they're personal questions and there's no such thing as a right answer. But in your case, you want to do a multiple choice question, a survey, or maybe just an assessment, a formative assessment. You can make it be an ABC, or you want to make it a short answer and you're able to see it. And there's so many other good tools here in Google that you're able to see data, as in how many passed it, how many didn't, how many scored in this range, and that will be in which one? Let me see. Data, tools, form, add-ons, and then help. So just navigate through, but there is a possibility that your assignment can be graded right there on the spot. And that's how you create a quiz and also an answer key. Thank you very much.